Welcome to another Dominican Bachata class. This will be number 6. We are going to introduce you to some turns in Dominican Bachata. If you dance Bachata in general, you'll be familiar with the concept of turns in Bachata. You know how it works. We'll add a couple of extra features, couple of extra steps, couple of extra taps, and we'll show you also half turns, how they will work with Dominican Bachata steps. Okay. So let's start with basic step to the side. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, E, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, E, boom, boom. We can base our turn on this step, so when we travel to the side, or we could do it in stationary way, so base it on a step in a spot. Tun, tun, king, king, kun, E, boom, boom. To make it easier, we'll travel. 5, 6, 7, turn. 1, 2, 3. This is almost the same as regular bachata turn, and then kick, step, step. Opposite direction, it will work exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, kick, step, step. We assume that you danced some bachata before, so we'll not break this step down too much. We are applying all these circular steps and kick, step, step in the end. Let's do it fluently to the left. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, come back with basic. Kun, kun. 5, 6, 7, kun, kun. Right turn, hop, E, pum, pum. Hop, go basic. E, pum, pum. 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum. We can try to do it in a spot. Do you want to do it in a spot, Ola? And left turn spot, hop, kun, kun. 1, 2, tick, E, pum, pum. Tick, E, right turn, right, 2, go, and hop, tick, tick, hip, E, pum, pum, 1. So basically you are rotating without traveling. In Dominican Bachata, all things like that are allowed and they are encouraged. More different variations with steps and direction you can include in your dance. More exciting it will be. Like at the beginning, when people start dancing Bachata, they learn all these body waves, they learn weird deeps and things like that. But then there is another layer, which is a rhythmical layer, and also when you're leading and following, that you are able to actually give the signal and receive the signal from girl perspective. For example, whether turn is stationary or we are moving, yeah? So if I wanted to lead that, I would be able first to give the direction of the movement, then give her rotation at the same time. Or if I didn't lead the direction, I could just lead the rotation. Yeah? So all of this will work. When we come to partner works one day, we'll try to show you that. But meanwhile, let's learn our footworks. Sorry, this will be big dance tip. I would like to say that normally on regular classes when we do partner works, from my perspective, the most important element when you are learning how to dance is to learn how to dance by yourself. You can't demand from your partner to do crazy moves when you can't do them. This is not fair and this is wrong in general. You feel how moves are working, you feel how you should lead or when you are able to do it. Yeah, if you just lead your partner and stand there and watch, this is lame. I don't like that. And obviously the same works from a girl perspective. If you have a guy who just starts dancing and doesn't have much experience and you require from him doing all this crazy stuff, it's not right as well. Yeah. So think about that. Now you're dancing by yourself, so you're excused. You can do absolutely anything you want. Okay, so we have turns to the side, we have turns in a spot. We didn't want to concentrate on that too much, they are easy. We'll do half turns now. What I mean by half turn, instead of coming back to the same camera, now we are facing the front camera, when we finish, we will face the back camera. And this is not complicated stuff, but you have to concentrate on which direction you are going next. So we'll show you half left turn, and then we go back to basic. 5, 6, straight away. 1, 2, 3, E, boom, boom. And now which direction would we go? 5, 6, 7, E, boom, boom. And because I stopped, all I was confused, like what is happening? And this is exactly what we are going to teach you now. So it is important again to feel on which foot you are standing. So this kick pum pum is very important to do it correctly, because then you have clear idea on which step you are, on which foot you are stepping and which is going to continue. I will count legs. 5, 6, start with left, left, right, left, kick, right, left. Yeah, so we finished on the left, and now it's clear that continuation will be to the right. Right, left, right, kick, pum, pum. Let's do another half left turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, kick, pum, pum, and continuation is still to the right. Kick, pum, pum. So in this setup, in this arrangement, we are going twice the same direction. It feels like, but we are technically not, because we rotated. Okay, so have that in mind. 5, half left we go, and 1, 2, 3, and basic half left again we go. 1, 2, 3, kick, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, kick, pum, pum. Okay, now let's move a bit this direction and let's do half right turn. The idea is exactly the same, but after, do you have enough space here? Probably. After rotating to the right, we'll continue that way. Whichever way it is, to the left basically, but our left will be the other way. 5, 1, 2, 3, and hop. 5, 6, 7, kum, kum, 1, 2, we'll go to the right, and 5, 6, 7, left, and 1, 2, 3, e, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, e, pum, pum, okay? Obviously, if we dance with partners, there would be no need to come back. We could continue dancing opposite, yeah? And that would change the perspective of dance and so on. Now we'll do 1 to the left and 1 to the right straight away. Ola is already analyzing what is happening. So we'll show you 5, 6 to the left half, 1, 2, 3 to the right, and 1, 2, 3 to the left. Basic, dig, dig, hop, e, pum, pum, 5, 6, hop, e, pum, pum, 1, 2 more to the right, and spot. E, pum, pum, 1, 2, 3, and go big, 5, 6, 7, pum. This is another way to move. I can do one in a spot, pum, pum, tick, tick, e, pum, pum, tick. Okay, half left and half right, e, pum, pum, hop, tick, e, basic, tick, tick, and tick, tick, hop, and stay spot, and 1, 2, and continue, zoom, 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 and spot, 1, 2, 3, continue, zoom, 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 and spot. You see, another thing. We didn't plan to teach you that, but if you want to come back more or less to the same position, you can easily use this step. Let's do it opposite direction. So first to the right and then to the left, just that you have in your heads which direction we are going to move. 5, 6, and we go. Right, half, and left, half, and 1, 2, 3, e, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, e, pum, pum, 1, 2, 3, e, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, e, pum, pum. Okay? And again, the direction of movement is not so important. More important is on which leg you are stomping. I could go a bit crazy, just purely for educational reasons. I could do half left, half right in a spot. So like 1, 2, 3, e, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, e, pum, pum, 1, 2, 3, e, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, e, pum, pum. So basically, just very simple. Not very simple. I take this off. Just basic step means what we learned on the first class, with rotation of upper body and with changing our position. Okay, I think I'll stop talking in here. We'll dance it with music. 5, 6, 7, basic side. 6, 7, tiki, 1. Let's start full left turn. Up, 1, 4, 4, 4. And now full right. Up. Y pum pum. Y pum pum. Y pum pum. Right turn. Y pum pum. Y pum pum. Obviously the same works in front and back. So front, right turn, pum pum. Y pum pum. Y pum pum. And left turn. Y pum pum. 1. Y pum pum. Y pum pum. Y pum pum. Basic side. 1. And now half left, up, and basic. Half right. Half right. And half left.
Lo más dulce que he probado, y es que es tan lindo.
6, 7, and 1. Half left. And half left again. Half right. Half left. Half right. Half left. 1, basic. It's getting there. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7. Cum, cum, and spot. And spot to the left. Go. Spot to the right. Full right and half left. 1, 2, 3, and half left again. Very good. Quite fun, quite fun. You could relate this step to step tap from our regular classes. However, there is one major difference. Step tap is changing the rhythm. These half turns are not. We are still staying on the proper foot. So it is slightly different, but in your head it might feel like direction of movement is quite similar. Okie dokie. So this is end of the class for now. Next time we'll maybe introduce to other type of half turns. We'll start messing around a bit. Or should we do the sequence first? Maybe we'll do a sequence, yeah. Maybe this will motivate you more to watch the next episode. So from all steps that we've showed you so far, we'll create a sequence, and we'll try to teach you that relatively quickly, because we believe that you are watching all episodes. And if you haven't watched all of them, remember to like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Okay, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and you can become a patron of our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.